Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how to make a fun accordion style journal, okay? And I saw this on Shabby Soul Susie. I've seen it on there, and I saw her do like a flip through. I didn't see her how she really constructed it at all, but I'll make sure to put the link down below. You guys come check her out. But what I want to incorporate is some fun fabrics, which isn't this beautiful? I mean, how fun is that? Is that really pretty? I love the colors in it and all the birds. Okay, so I'm thinking I want to incorporate that in there. I'm using the Tim Holtz Ideology, just the scrap paper. And it is a 12 by 12. Yeah, it's a big 12 by 12 sheet. And what I did is I just took one of the big sheets and ripped out a strip of it on each side. And then I made sure to line up the size that it ended off here and ripped. And then I glued it together. So I just glued it all together, just like that. So then you're with a big just strip like this. Okay, and then all you got to do is just take it and accordion fold it. So you're just gonna want to go like this, and I like to leave just a little lip on the side here. So I'm just taking it and just going back and forth and just seeing how I want to line it up. Just like that. Okay, and the real test is after you fold it and get it how you want it, is to see if it opens up without interfering with anything. Because you might have to just refold, and I got my bone folder too, so you could just take your bone folder and refold things and, you know, do your bone folder on there. And if you don't have a bone folder, a scissors work great, just the end part of the scissors, just to flatten it down, to crease it. Okay, so you just take it and you open them up. So these are the pages. So see how that one, the way it lines up, you'll just see how it wants to line up. There we go. And then this one, I go like this. And then that one like that. So there's that way, and then you take it and you can flip it like this. This will be the other side of it. So just like that. So just continuously you can keep flipping it open and like that. So it's pretty fun. Okay. So there we go. So now what I want to do is, I'm thinking this will be the cover, okay? And you can see how they're opening up like that. So this would be the first page here. And what I want to do is I want to start adding pockets and things like that to it. So I have some just coffee dyed lace and fabrics, and then I got the scraps here that we ripped from the scrapbook paper, and we could just go through and add some fun pockets. And what I want to do is I'm going to sew, but you guys can definitely glue, and I would suggest, you know, maybe a Fabrifix glue or Fabri-Tac, and art glitter glue works great. I got some art glitter glue here that works awesome. But what I want to do is I'm going to go ahead and sew everything on the pages that I want, and then after that's done I want to attach the cover to it. But before we attach this cover, we might add pockets and stuff to this too, because that'll be the other side when we flip it. So this is going to just be a fun little project, I think. So as we flip it open, you know, you'll have a pocket and stuff here, and fun little things that you can, you know, do your little tuck here, and you know, so these are the pages that you're going to work on. Okay. And then the other side is going to be where the fabric's going to be. So this will be the fabric, and I'm thinking on the fabric side, I might incorporate some, you know, fun little pockets and things like that we can put little trinkets and things into on this side. And then we'll sew it all together. Okay? So this will be a playlist that we're going to work on, and I will walk you guys through it. And yeah, so let's just get started here. So like I said, what I'm going to do is, you can look at it. This is going to be the front part. And what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to work on like adding this here. There, I already cut one out earlier. Just like that. And when I do it, I'm going to open it up, and then I'm going to sew that one down, okay? And then you'll see, like, this is another page, but you don't want to sew them together. You want to make sure to open it up, okay? So before you sew, I suggest opening them up, then sew and do everything that you want to do, you know, on a page here, and this is a page, this is the other side of the page, you know, this is the other side, and so on. Keep it open, because we want all this opened up when we attach everything together, okay? So I'm going to go over and I'm going to do some sewing. I'm going to find some more fun things to add to it, and then I will take you guys over to the sewing machine and I will show you guys how I'm going to incorporate it all on there. There we go. Give ourselves a cute little pocket that we can put things in. Okay. So tea bags are definitely a great idea. And let's see. Okay, so I got some coffee dyed lace here. Which would be fun to go like this. And I'm just going to make it a little side tuck here. So you just sew the top part. And sew it on the side. So pretty much what I'm doing is just getting everything that I want on my pages, you know, to add for pockets and stuff like that. And I'll keep doing that and get some more in there, but I wanted to show you the back, see, so you can see all the sewing on the back here. So we don't really want to see that, and that's why the cover will come in nice and handy with, you know, putting the fabric cover on it and stuff. So I'm just going to continue adding some more fun things to the pages, and I'll be back. Alright, so this turned out really cute. I think it's so much fun just to find some neat things you got hanging around the house, like, you know, little tea bags and some fabrics, some different things like that. And let's see here. I'm just gonna grab something so I can show you guys that these are little pockets here. But this will be great to do a little side tuck here that you could put something. So that's fun. And then you got your tea bag. You can put something here, and you can put something in the back. Another little side tuck here that you can tuck something in. Right here, you got your fabric pocket. And then another little side tuck, so that's going to be fun. And a little tea bag you can put here and behind it like that. So there we go. So that's what I got done today with you guys. So let's do that, and we could do a little flip through. See how it's looking. That, that. So there we go. So I think that turned out really fun. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. And keep on crafting.